Good morning, grade 5 Molly.
Good morning, teacher.
Before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chair and pick all the dirts under your chair. And before we start our day, I would like to call Kaina Paliana to lead us a prayer.
Let us pray. Lord, bless us this day. Give us knowledge, wisdom, and understanding as we go on with our word. Lesson to the Lord. And Lord, bless also our teachers to teach us. And this is all we ask in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you, Kaina. Okay, so before you can sit down. In this class, we have 4 classroom rules that you need to follow. First is you have to raise your hand when you want to recite or when you want to go out. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
And of course, second is be a friend. Dito, sabi natin is kailangan itrato ninyo ng maayos or itrato ninyo ng parang kaibigan nyo lahat ng kaklase nyo upang maiwasan natin ang pag-aaway. Okay po?
Yes, teacher.
And then third is you have to listen. You have to listen to your teacher para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung i-discuss natin ngayon. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and then last is, of course, before we go home, we need to help each other to clean this classroom para malinis kung papasok tayo ulit bukas. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Last meeting, we discussed about the respiratory and digestive system, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, do you want to play a game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this game called Who Can Give Me? So I will show you pictures and all you need to do is to name the parts of the digestive, respiratory, and digestive system. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
This one, from the first picture, who can give me the name of this one? Shayla?
Mom.
Very good. Thank you. How about the second one? Kaina?
Okay, Mabos, teacher.
Thank you. Very good. How about the third one? Shayla?
Mom's stomach.
Toma. Very good. How about the fourth?
Large intestine, teacher.
Itong fourth. Tama ba?
Small intestine.
Very good. Thank you. How about the last one? Yes, Shayla.
Mom, large intestine.
Large intestine. So last meeting we discussed about the respiratory system. Last meeting we discussed about the digestive system and also the parts of respiratory system. Okay, now class, who can give me the name of this one?
Teacher.
Kaina?
Nose, teacher.
Nose. Very good. How about the second one? Yes, Shayla.
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. How about the third one? Yes, Kaina.
Teacher, trachea.
Trachea. How about the third one? Yes, Shayla. This one?
Bronchi.
Bronchi. And how about this part? Who can give me the name of this part?
Teacher.
Yes, Kaina.
Teacher, the right and left lungs.
Very good. I'm glad that you still remember our topic last meeting. Okay, so today, kanina is natapos na natin yung isang game. Ngayon, may isa pa tayong game na gagawin. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, so I will give you a piece of paper and all you need to do is to buuin lahat ng mga ito. Gagamitin nyo itong paste para mabuo lahat ng picture na nandito. I will group you into 2 groups. So, this one will be the group 1. And side will be the group 2. I will give you only 5 minutes to finish your work. You have to help one another to finish that one.
Teacher, mabalik ni...
Tapos na bang lahat?
Teacher, bye.
Oh, you only have 1 minute to finish your work. And after, you paste it on the board.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, not pass.
Okay? So can you paste it here? This one. This is for the group 1 and for group 2. Tapos na? Thank you. Okay? So, kanina, sinabi ko sa inyo na buuin nyo yung mga picture na binigay ko sa inyo bawat grupo. So, ito na yung nabuo nyo. Mamaya, malalaman natin kung tama yung mga pinaglalagay nyo dito sa picture na ito. Okay, so, ngayon, pagkatapos ng ating aralin, may mga goals tayo na dapat nating ma-achieve. Ngayon, pakibasa nga yung goal number 1 natin.
Identify the different major parts of the circulatory system and nervous system. Give importance to the major parts of the circulatory and nervous system. Make a slogan about the circulatory and nervous system.
Okay, so tama. At the end of the lesson, you, my pupils, can now identify the major parts of the circulatory and the nervous system. And of course, will be give importance to the major parts of the circulatory and nervous system. And at the end of this lesson, you can be able to create a slogan about the circulatory and the nervous system. So ngayon, class, base dito sa nilagay nyo dito sa harapan, yung sinabi ko kanina is, etong picture na to na ginawa ng group 1, this is what they call the circulatory system. So tingnan nyo kung tama yung ginawa ng group 1.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tama. So ito yung circulatory system. Nakikita ba dyan sa likod? Okay. So ito naman ginawa ng group 2, ito yung sinasabi nilang nervous system. Ngayon, class, alam nyo ba kung ano yung mga parts ng, may naririnig ba kayo kung ano yung mga parts or functions ng circulatory or nervous system?
Teacher, 1.
Awan. Kaya dapat makinig kayong mabuti para malaman ninyo kung ano yung nervous system and the circulatory system. Ngayon, gusto nyo bang manood ng short video?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's manonood muna tayo ngayon. Nakikita ba?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, nadagat sa sound.
Ito, isa tong character ng anime. Makinig lang.
And it also helps them get rid of waste products. The circulatory system helps you to fight off disease, helps your body to maintain a normal temperature, and also provides the right chemical balance to provide the body's homeostasis, or state of balance, among all its systems. You know, the circulatory circulatory system consists of four major components. Let's have a look at them one by one. The heart. Your heart stays behind the ribs on the left side of your body, just next to the sternum. The purpose of the heart is to pump blood through your body, and it keeps the circulatory system working at all times. Normal heart rate varies from person to person, but a normal range for adults is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Arteries. The arteries transport oxygen-rich blood away from the heart and where it needs to go. Pulmonary arteries carry blood that has a low oxygen content from the right ventricle to the lungs. Systemic arteries carry oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the tissues of the body. Veins. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood to the heart. In the heart, it is directed towards the lungs to receive oxygen. Blood. Blood is the transport media of nearly everything within your body. It transports hormones, oxygen, nutrients, antibodies, and various other things needed to keep the body healthy and fit. You're having water now. It helps expand blood vessels so that your heart doesn't need to work hard. Oxygen enters into the bloodstream through small membranes in the lungs that absorb oxygen as it is inhaled. As the body uses the oxygen and processes nutrients, it creates carbon dioxide, which your lungs expel as you exhale. The heart and valves create constant pressure throughout the body, and this pressure ensures that veins carry blood to the heart and the arteries transport it away from the heart.
So, ayun. Sa napanood niyo, class, ano yung mga na-mention na parts ng circulatory system?
Teacher.
Yes, kaya?
Teacher, heart.
Okay, so base dito sa nilagay nyo, yung heart is eto. Siya yung nagpapumps ng blood para makapag-produce siya ng mga pangangailangan or makapag-produce siya ng oxygen at mga nutrients na kinakailangan ng ating mga katawan. Ano pa? Ano pa? Yes?
Artery.
Artery. Yes, tama. Yung artery, class, is ito yung artery, yung kulay red. So, kapag nagpapump yung blood, di ba kapag ano nga yung left side ng yung, naririnig nyo ba yung, nafe-feel nyo ba yung pitik ng yung puso?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Habang pumipitik yan, nagpapump siya ng blood at dumadaan siya dito sa arteries at yun yung dun siya nadidistribute sa ating pangangatawan. Ano pa yung pangatlo? Yung pangatlo?
Listen.
Ano? Yung pangatlo? Please.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher, veins.
Veins. Yes, tama. Yung veins naman is siya yung itong blue. Yung veins naman is kini-carry niya yung mga deoxygenated blood at pumupunta yon sa heart. At sa heart naman, ipapump niya yung blood and then dadaan sa veins at mag-distribute ulit sa ating pangangatawan. Yung blood na yon na pinapumps ng heart is siya yung nag-carry ng oxygen, siya yung nag-carry ng mga nutrients na kinakailangan ng ating mga katawan. So, yung cycle na yon is paulit-ulit lang yon na cycle ng heart, ng veins, at saka ng arteries. Sa tingin nyo, class, kapag hindi nag-pump yung heart, anong mangyayari sa atin?
Teacher, matay.
Matay, kasi titigil yung pitik ng ating puso. It means, kapag tumigil na yan, hindi na nakakapag-produce ng oxygen at hindi na nadidistribute lahat ng mga nutrients na kinakailangan ng ating katawan. So, yung pinapump niya na blood, siya yung nag-carry ng mga nutrients na nadadigest sa mga kinakain natin. Alam niyo ba na yung circulatory system, it helps you to fight off diseases? Kaya kapag hindi nag-function ng maayos yung circulatory system ninyo is madali kayong kapitan ng sakit. Kasi yung circulatory system, tinutulungan niya yung ating mga sarili para ma-prevent yung mga diseases na pwede kumapit sa atin. At alam niyo din ba na ang circulatory system, nililintin niya yung normal temperature ng ating pangangatawan. Di ba kapag hindi normal yung temperature natin minsan nagkakasakit tayo, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yan. Kaya yung circulatory system natin siya yung tumutulong sa atin para malabanan lahat ng mga sakit. Ngayon, class, may isa pa tayong video na papanoorin. Gusto niyo ba?
Yes, teacher.
And from there it controls all about the nervous system. How do our lungs remember to breathe when we're asleep? How does your nose tell you that your favorite cookies are baking in the kitchen? Our nervous system is in charge of these things and a lot more. In fact, it's the boss of our body. Nervous system is a network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. Our nervous system controls everything we do, including breathing, smelling, and moving. The two main parts of the nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the part of the nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. The brain lies protected inside the skull, and from there it controls all the body functions by receiving and sending messages through the nerves. The brain has three major parts. The biggest part is cerebellum. It has two parts, the left and right cerebral hemispheres. Scientists think that the right part helps us think about abstract things like music, shapes, and colors. The left part is more analytical, helping us with math, speech, and logic. The brainstem in the brain links the brain to the spinal cord and the rest of the body. It is in charge of all the functions our body needs to stay alive, like breathing air and digesting food. Now, the peripheral nervous system. It includes all the nerves that go from the skin, muscle, and organs to the spinal cord and brain. The peripheral nervous system has two functions. Some of the nerves receive information when we taste something. These messages are carried to the brain by these nerves. They're concerned about the nervous system. How do our...
Okay, so base sa ating napanood, kanina, di ba pinabuo ko sa inyo yung parts ng nervous system. So, ito yung nervous system. So, ang nervous system is, siya yung network of organs and nerves that sends signals throughout the body. So, ito yung nervous system. Sa nervous system, may mga parts din tayo. Ito yung central nervous. Ito yung sinasabi nilang central nervous system. Ang central nervous system is dito sa parte ito. Mula dito hanggang dyan, yan yung central nervous system. At ang central nervous system is may dalawang parts. Ito yung brain, which is dito. Ito yung brain natin. At saka, yung spinal cord. Ito yung spinal cord natin. Yan. So, ang brain, yung tinatrabaho naman ng brain is, it controls all the body functions by receiving and sending messages through the nerves. So, yung brain, siya yung kumokontrol at ng body functions natin, kung ano yung nare-receive natin information at kung ano yung sinesend natin na mga messages throughout the nerves. At saka yung spinal cord naman is siya yung nagke-carry ng nerve signal from your body and back. So yung spinal cord na dito is siya yung siya yung nagka-carries ng signal na kapag, di ba, kapag hinawakan mo yung mainit na tubig, siya yung nag-carry, nagsabi sa brain natin na aray, mainit yon. Kaya yung brain naman natin, siya yung kumokontrol na nagsasabi sa ating pangangatawan kung tanggalin ba natin yung mga kamay natin doon sa mainit. Kaya yun yung ginagawa ng brain at saka ng spinal cord. Yung pangalawa naman is the peripheral nervous system. It includes all the nerves that goes from the skin, muscles, and organs, and the spinal cord and brain. So yung peripheral nervous system is dito siya. Ito, lahat ng mga to, lahat ng mga yan na nakikita nyo, is siya yung sinasabi na yun yung peripheral nervous system. At yung peripheral nervous system is may dalawang function din. Yung dalawang function na yon is, it's either yung nervous system is siya yung nag-i-inform or nagre-receive ng mga message na carry ng nerve papunta sa, nag-carry ng brain by the nerve. At saka, siya din yung kumokontrol sa automatic action like breathing, digesting, and etc. So, yun yung ginagawa din ng peripheral nervous system. Now, class. Ngayon, na natapos na natin na explain kung ano yung circulatory system at saka nervous system, may gagawin tayong short activity, which is magpe-presenta ako sa inyo ng mga pictures at ang gagawin ninyo is sasabihin nyo kung ano yung functions nito at ano yung parts na ipapakita ko sa inyo. So now, class, ano yung nasa picture dito? Yes, Shaila?
Teacher, heart.
Heart. Sa na-discuss natin at sa napanood natin kanina, ano yung ginagawa ng heart?
It pumps blood throughout the body.
Yeah, siya yung nagpa-pump ng blood throughout our body. Very good. How about the next?
Teacher, arteries.
Yes, arteries. Ano naman yung ginagawa ng arteries natin?
Teacher, siya yung kapag nagpapump yung heart ng blood, siya yung tumatanggap para maiwaras yung blood, teacher.
Yes, yung arteries natin is siya yung dinadaanan ng blood para ma-distribute sa ating pangangatawan. Tama? How about the next? Yes, Shaila?
Teacher, blood.
Yes, yung blood. Ano yung ginagawa ng blood?
Teacher, ito yung transportation ng like nutrients sa ating body.
Yes. Yung blood, siya yung nag-carry ng nutrients, ng oxygen na kinakailangan ng ating body. Siya yung pinapump ng heart na dumadaan sa arteries at pumupunta din ulit sa heart upang ma-distribute lahat ng nutrients na pangangailangan ng ating katawan. How about this one? Yes, Kaina?
Teacher, brain.
Brain. Ano yung ginagawa ng brain natin?
Teacher, isunod yung control kaya.
Yes. Siya yung kumokontrol sa mga actions na ginagawa natin. Ano ito ulit? Yes, Shaila?
Teacher, spinal cord.
Ano yung ginagawa ng spinal cord natin?
Teacher, it carries nerve signal from the body.
Yes, tama. Okay. So, yan yung sinasabi natin, spinal cord, at yun yung mga different parts ng circulatory and the nervous system. Ngayon, class, alam ko na naiintindihan nyo na yung topic natin at na-identify nyo naman na kung ano yung parts ng nervous system and the circulatory system. Ngayon, may activity na naman tayo ulit. So, i-group ko kayo ng dalawang grupo. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Ang gagawin ninyo is i-level nyo kung yung mga parts na na-explain natin kanina. Susulat nyo lamang dito sa gilid ng ng larawan. At ganun din ang gagawin ng group 2. Ile-level ninyo kung ano yung pangalan ng mga ito. Okay, so I will give you 3 minutes to do your activity. This is for the group 1 and for the group 2. Okay, so pwede na ninyong gawin yung activity natin. I will only give you 3 minutes to finish your work. Tapos na ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's see if your answers are correct. Umupo na ang lahat. So, dito sa circulatory system, yung blue, yun yung tinatawag natin na veins. Tama. Ito naman, sa heart, is yun yung heart. Tama. At saka yung red dito, na ugat, is arteries. Tama, group 1. Sa group 2 naman, sa nervous system, this is the brain, the spinal cord, and yung brain at saka spinal cord, siya yung central nervous system natin. Dito naman is yung nerves. Dito sa nerves. Yung nerves natin is siya yung peripheral nervous system. Very good, group 1 and group 2. Let's give yourself 3 claps. Very good. Ngayon class, magkakaroon tayo ulit ng group activity. So, same group, ito pa rin yung group 1 at ito pa rin yung group 2. So, ang gagawin ninyo is pakibasa nga group 1
Make a slogan about the importance of circulatory system.
and group 2.
Make a slogan about the nervous system on how to take care of it.
Yes. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng paglalagyan nyo ng activity nyo. So, ang gagawin ng group 1, gagawa kayo ng slogan tungkol sa importance of circulatory system. Ito yung paglalagyan. Ito. At saka sa group 2 naman is gagawa kayo ng slogan about sa nervous system and how to take care of it. I will give you 10 minutes to finish your work. You have to help one another to finish your work before the time ends. But before you start doing your work, we have our rubrics. Dito sa rubrics natin mayroon collaboration, outcome, quality, and teamwork. Dito sa collaboration, sa excellent part, makakakuha kayo ng 5 points if members actively shared ideas and responsibilities and open communication. 4 points naman kapag sa collaborations, communication could be improved, and 3 points kung limited collaboration and poor communication. At dito naman sa outcome quality natin is yung product or yung result exceeds expectations, high quality, and well executed. And kapag 4 is product and result meets expectations, good quality. And sa 3 points naman is product result fails short of expectations and quality issues. Dito naman sa teamwork, kapag nakikita ko na lahat kayo na bilang grupo nagtutulungan sa iyong group activity, mabibigyan kayo ng 5 points. Dito naman sa 4 points, kapag teamwork together but some conflicts or inefficacies. At dito naman sa 3 points is team struggled to work together, significant conflicts or lack of suppose. So, yun yung pagbabasehan natin sa score nyo mamaya. So, you can start your work. Tapos na ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher.
Oh. So, ngayon, natapos na ang lahat, uulitin natin. Ano ulit yung tinatod natin kanina? Anyone? Yes, Kaina?
Teacher, circulatory and nervous system.
Thank you. So, dito sa circulatory system, ano yung mga major parts na na-mention natin? Yes, Shaila?
Heart, arteries, and veins.
Tama. So, we have 3 major parts under the circulatory system. how about the nervous system? Who can give me the major parts of nervous system? Yes, Kaina?
Teacher, ang nervous system ay may dalawang part, which is the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Ang central nervous system ay may two parts din siya, which is the brain and spinal cord. At sa
Peripheral.
peripheral nervous system is the nerves, teacher.
Thank you. Ang gagaling naman ninyo. So, ngayon class, ngayon magkakaroon kayo ulit ng individual na aktibidad. Ang gagawin lamang ninyo is fill in the blanks. So, may prepare si teacher dito na mga questions at yung pagpipilian nyo ng mga sagot. So, all you need to do is to read and understand the questions and put your answer on the blank provided before the number. Get 1 and plus, pass. And get 1 and pass. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 minutes upang tapusin ang iyong work. Tapos na ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Student at the back, pass your paper in front at the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, bago tayo umuwi, may hinanday si teacher na gagawin nyo mamayang gabi. So, ang gagawin ninyo is draw one parts of the circulatory or nervous system and give its function. So, dito sa nagawa natin is pipili lamang kayo dito sa circulatory ng isa or dito sa nervous system ng isang parts, and then idodrawing nyo ito, ilagay ito sa iyong assignment notebook at ibigay kung ano yung function ng drawing ninyo. Okay, understand class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and can this stand? Goodbye class.
Goodbye, teacher.